If you or any of your loved ones struggles with balance or walking long distances, then you know how much more confidence and mobility the right Rollator Walker can give you. But with so many Rollator Walkers on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Some are hard to maneuver, others lack comfortable seating or storage, and a few just don't feel stable on uneven terrain. So in this video, I'll be going over the 8 best Rollator Walkers that are actually worth buying. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these Rollator Walkers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Medline 2-button folding walker with wheels. This is the most budget-friendly Rollator Walker on our list. It comes in 2 sizes, the adult model for people between 5 feet 5 inches and 6 feet 4 inches, and a junior model for smaller adults or teens between 4 feet 10 inches and 5 feet 4 inches. The frame of this walker is made from durable steel, so it's sturdy and can handle daily use without wobbling. Even though it's strong, it's still lightweight, which makes it easy to push, maneuver, and lift if you need to store it or take it in a car. It has a 2-button folding system, which makes folding it very easy. And the height is fully adjustable, so you can set it to your comfort level, whether you're taller or shorter. So if you want a walker that doesn't cost a fortune, the Medline 2-button folding walker with wheels is a smart choice. Number 7 is the Hamlin Foldable Rollator Walker. This is the most compact foldable rollator walker on our list. It has a strong frame that can hold up to 350 pounds, and yet it's lightweight. So you can lift it in and out of a car or tuck it away at home without struggling. And the ergonomic grips and multi-reflective strips add a bit of extra safety while walking day or night. Plus, 8-inch puncture-proof wheels mean it rolls smoothly on both indoor floors and outdoor paths. The memory foam seat and breathable backrest make sitting down easy and a real break. Both the seat and handles are adjustable, so it works for people from about 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. And it's very compact when it folds. Just fold it up and it slides easily into small spaces or your trunk. So if you're looking for a rollator that's easy to fold, the Hamlin Foldable Rollator Walker is a perfect compact choice. Number 6 is the Hamlin 3-wheel walker. This is the most lightweight 3-wheel walker on our list. This one is a good fit if you want something easy to move and not bulky. The 3-wheel design makes it easier to turn corners, especially in tight spaces like hallways or stores. It's lightweight and foldable, so lifting it into a car or storing it at home isn't a struggle. Setup is pretty straightforward, and once it's ready, you can adjust the height to match your body. And as for the comfort, it's solid too. The handles have wrist rests so you can relax your hands when you stop for a moment. You're also going to have a padded seat for brakes, and a cushioned backrest that gives a little support instead of feeling stiff. And here's what Pat had to say about this walker. I love this 3-wheel walker. Fits in most everywhere, easy to use with transporting using only one hand, isn't heavy, and was easy to put together. It was also the one that could easily be used for someone 6 feet tall. I highly recommend this 3-wheel walker. So, if you want a walker that's light and easy to steer, the Hamlin 3-wheel walker is a solid lightweight choice. Number 5 is the Carex Folding Walker. This is the most basic folding rollator walker on our list. It's made from strong aluminum tubing, so it feels solid when you're using it. One of the nicest parts is how easy it is to fold. You just press the 2 buttons and it folds down fast. So it's easy to store in a closet or slide into the car. The sides can also detach, which helps if you're dealing with tight spaces at home. The height is adjustable from about 30 to 37 inches, so you can set it to what feels right for you. You don't need tools. Just press the buttons and slide the legs up or down. It supports up to 300 pounds, so even though it's basic, it doesn't feel weak or flimsy. It comes with wheels, which makes it easier to move forward without lifting it every step. And since it only weighs around 7 pounds, it's much easier to handle than heavier walkers, especially for seniors who struggle with lifting. So if you want a walker that's light, sturdy, and easy to use, the Carex Folding Walker gets the job done without any extras. And if you want to know the latest prices for the Rollator Walkers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the VOCIC Rollator Walker. This is the easiest to use walk-behind rollator walker on our list. It has an ergonomic curved design, so it feels more like sitting in a chair instead of a flat bench. The padded backrest supports your lower back and makes brakes feel more natural, especially if you're sitting for a while. Both the handle height and seat height are adjustable, so you can find your perfect height. Plus, it comes with 8-inch wide wheels, which can handle gravel, sidewalks, and rough paths without getting stuck. And since they're puncture-proof, you don't have to worry much about maintenance. It also supports up to 350 pounds, so it feels solid and steady when you're walking. Even with all that, it folds down easily for storage or car trips. Weight-wise, it's light enough to move without feeling bulky. So if you want a rollator that's easy to walk and easy to sit on, the Vosic Rollator Walker is a great choice. Number 3 is the Planet Walk Rollator Walker. This is the heaviest duty rollator walker on our list. This walker is very easy to live with. Even though it looks sleek, the aluminum frame feels strong and well balanced when you're walking. The 8-inch rubber wheels work best on hard, flat surfaces like sidewalks, stores, or airports. And the handles are shaped to fit your hands better, with a small thumb rest that makes longer walks more comfortable. You're also going to have reflectors on the front and back, which is nice if you're out early in the morning or later in the evening. And when you need a brake, the seat is easy to use. Just push the brakes down to lock it, turn around, and sit. This is a compact rollator, best for people around 4 feet 8 to about 5 feet 8, though slightly taller users may still feel okay. So if you want a rollator that feels strong, stable, and travel-friendly without being bulky, the Planet Walk Rollator Walker is a solid pick. Number 2 is the Drive Medical Trigger Release Folding Walker. This is the best value rollator walker on our list. The frame is made from lightweight brushed steel, so it feels sturdy but not heavy when you're moving it around. The height is adjustable, which helps you get a better fit instead of hunching over. The hand grips are contoured, so they sit more naturally in your hands and don't feel awkward during longer walks. You're also going to have a trigger release folding system. Just squeeze the triggers under the handles and the walker folds up fast. That makes it easier to store in a car or tuck away at home. It also has 5-inch front wheels, which help it roll smoothly over floors and sidewalks instead of dragging. Safety-wise, it's very stable and easy to control, especially for daily indoor use or short outdoor trips. Jeff wrote, "Mom now has 2 of these. I guess I'll put one in her car and one in her apartment. It's the one the doctor recommended. It is lightweight and does what it's supposed to do. It folds down nicely and didn't require much assembly, so if you want a reliable walking aid that keeps things simple and saves you money, the Drive Medical Trigger Release Folding Walker is a value pick." Number 1 is the Medline Empower Folding Mobility Rollator Walker. This is the best overall rollator walker on our list. It's a tall and wide walker. You can lean on it without feeling shaky. It's designed for people from about 4 feet 11 up to 6 feet 4. The handles adjust to fit your height just right. It also has a padded seat with memory foam, and there's a backrest and armrest for brakes when you get tired. You can even adjust the seat height by changing the legs. The brakes are easy to use for seniors. And the 8-inch wheels are bigger and tougher than standard ones, so they handle rough sidewalks and outdoor paths better. There's also reflective tape for safer walking at night. Now, the storage is another plus. You get a cup holder, a large pouch under the seat, and extra zip pockets to keep things organized. It folds up fast with a built-in handle. The handles tuck in so it fits tighter in your car. It supports up to 300 pounds and weighs about 23 pounds when folded. So if you want a strong, comfortable rollator that feels safe, easy to use, and built to last, the Medline Empower is a smart choice you can feel confident about. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect rollator walker. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each rollator walker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.